Hey guys, it's Matthew with Gargistic. I'm here to tell you about a product that we are going to be installing on our beautiful 190 diesel. Most of your guys' exhausts look like that. Old saggy ball. But no worries, we have an upgraded version of old saggy ball. Okay, let's try it again. With this, the 190E polyurethane Gargistic exhaust hanger, and all you need is one tool to do it, 13 millimeter. You simply remove the two bolts at the very top. Once you have those two bolts removed, simply slide the old one off, and you're going to reuse the bracket that's on there, this guy. Then you're going to simply reuse that bracket, put it right back in, just like that. Slide the new one on. Like that. Tighten it back up. And there you have it, how to install a Gargistic 190E poly exhaust hanger in under 5 minutes. Be sure to check out our full lineup of 190 parts on our website or app. Thanks for watching.